In today's video, you're going to be learning about powders that would never work in your black soap. Hi guys, good day. It's Vanessa given Swallows again, and you're welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're stopping by, please do well to hit the subscribe button, and also there's a bell notification bell right there. Hit it on that one too, so that you get to see more videos like this anytime I post. I am the lead formulator in Nestle Glam. This simply means I make products for a company called Nestle Glam. It's actually my company, yeah, and we are bent on making your skin nice, sweet, and confident enough for you to be confident enough to wear it. And this is it. I noticed a whole lot of Africans like black soap. Yes, it's a beautiful cleansing product, and call me the black soap queen, I would accept it. But the thing is, people just do a whole lot of things wrong when they apply or when they mix their black soap. Now, what is soap? Let's even get to that. Firstly, what exactly is soap? You need lye, a very strong salt that would do the job. And when they come together, they create a chemical reaction that has got to settle, and then they become one. They get really strong, and when you then add water to it, creates lather. Yay! And when you use it on your skin, it cleanses off any dirt or grease. So that is soap. Now, a salt and an oil. Oil doesn't have any pH. It's actually lipophilic. What I mean lipophilic, it means it's just oil. It's just a lipid. It doesn't really have a pH level. It doesn't have water, so you can't really talk about it. And then we have a salt, and we know very well that a salt has a pH of about 7 to 10 or 13. Maybe just start increasing it that way. That is it for the salt. This means that the products that we're making from this particular thing together will be really alkaline. Alkaline means salty. This means it will be so alkaline that is the only pH when you test it. That's the only pH present, because there are no acids in it when you bring it together. And now this is also relating to black soap, because black soap is just soap. And it may be really difficult to balance the pH of black soap. You may not really know how to do that, okay? Its origin, that is what it is made for. So balancing it, sometimes it may have a limit, and that limit is at the pH of just 7. That is it. I don't think it can go below 7, because if you try to go below 7, then trust me guys, you may just end up having an irritated skin. So do not add too much acids in your black soap. They may just not do anything for you, okay? Then the kind of powders we add is another thing. Now, before you add an ingredient to a black soap, you must be sure that that black soap or that ingredient you're adding has to get to the same pH with the black soap that you have already. Soap may not really be balanced totally. You need to just live with it, okay? You need to live with it. You need to know that this particular product is just for that use only. Like, it's for a cleansing use. You use it for cleansing alone. You don't use it for any other thing. You don't eat it. So that's it. Now let's get on to the powders. The number one powder you should never add inside your black soap rather is alpha arbutin. Now, alpha arbutin works at a pH of just 3 to 6, if I'm correct, or 6.5. This means it becomes really unstable if that pH is higher or way lower. So you don't work with alpha arbutin and you're using a pH of about 7. If you're using a pH of about 7, it will not do anything. That's the truth. It would only decompose to hydroquinone, because hydroquinone could also be gotten from alpha arbutin, beta arbutin, or arbutin. Yeah, it's a derivative of hydroquinone. So it may just go back to its mother and then tell you, Mom, please come around. And when hydroquinone is present, what's the use? It may be really, really hazardous to your skin. So don't use alpha arbutin in your soap. Besides, it's expensive. Who uses such an expensive powder to make black soap? It's just so expensive. But maybe that's not the case. I think there's some people that really, really, really have the money for it. But don't waste a good product out there, okay? You can make a serum with alpha arbutin. You can make a gel. You can make, a cream, something else with it. It's nice. But don't use it in your black soap, please. No need. Second powder is Same White. Now, well, it may be stable, but the truth is it's not really... It's really, really expensive to use, and it may not just play a role on your skin because you wouldn't have enough time to work on your skin. Yes. Now, good ingredient. It works slow. It's very, very, very slow to action. So it's best you use it at, in a cream or a serum. Don't use it in your black soap. I don't think it's nice to use it in your black soap. It doesn't make any sense. Then the third one is niacinamide. Now, niacinamide works it's only stable at a pH of about 6. So, if it's lower than that, 5.5 or 6, then it will really, really cause irritation to your skin. If it's higher than 6, it will also cause irritation on your skin. So, best, don't use it at all. You don't want to add niacinamide to it. Then the last but not the least is vitamin A acid. Don't add your vitamin A oil inside your soap. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't at all. If you want to use a soap should be cleansing out some impurities from your skin and maybe leaving some nice nutrients on your skin. This means your soap should not be over drying, it should not be over oily, it should just clean. Okay, that's what you have. And now if you want to really lighten up, or maybe you want to add some nice nutrients to it, then use natural botanical powders instead of using synthetic powders. Synthetic powders are different from botanical powders. Okay, well, if you want to know that, please just drop a comment below, then I'm going to tell you. I don't want to really talk too much, and that was why I picked out these powders for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please do well to hit that subscribe button, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and they share to their friends, let their friends share to their friends, and we all become really happy. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you got any question, ask them on the comment box, and also I'm going to be listing this or in the description box so that you get to know what I'm talking about. Thank you very much. I'd like to drop a quiz, and though it's not soap related, but I really want us to answer this right there on the comment section. And the question is, when should you use retinol on your skin? Is it daytime or is it nighttime? Let me know what you think. If you think daytime, then write it there on the comment box. I'm watching out for you guys. Bye.